This is the Lake District. I've lived here for the past 15 years now, and as a chef, I've had the opportunity to explore every nook and cranny on my first TV series, Lakes on a Plate. That was 8 years ago now. I think it's time for another visit. I want to show you around every corner, introducing you to new and wonderful local ingredients, great recipes, and even better views. Food always tastes better when it's cooked and eaten outside. So join me as I take my kitchen into the Lake District, finding wonderful locations to cook incredible dishes. Then I'm going to bring the Lake District back into my kitchen and show you how I cook some cracking recipes for my friends and family. This TV show is being created by two Cumbrian-based businesses who've collaborated to do what they do best and create a fantastic TV series for a national and international audience who have a love for all things Cumbria and the Lake District. We're looking for local businesses, both food and tourism, who want to get involved and really showcase their stories, products and businesses to an engaged audience. So if you're interested in getting involved, get in touch now.